Nag-resign na siya. So, sino yung nakikita mo na logical na pumalit para hindi mawala yung pagiging stable ng Senate?
Well, logically, if we're talking about logic, it has to stay with the majority. Hindi pwedeng ibigay yung chairmanship sa member of the minority. So, it can only go to a member of the majority. Right now, the vice chairperson is Senator Risa Ontiveros, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But I know for a fact, she will not accept it or she doesn't want it. And then there were also talks about Senator Kiko Pangilinan, which was the other choice originally outside of Senator Ping nung nagkaroon ng coup d'etat last month, no? But Senator Kiko Pangilinan also doesn't want it. Yeah. He has his plate full. Agriculture, JBC, Justice Committee, etc. So itong mga traditional opposition, no, Senator Risa, Senator Kiko, very politically charged kasi yung blue ribbon . So I don't think they will want to accept. Otherwise, mas magiging unstable siguro ulit ang Senate kapag sila yung maging chairman and they will be perceived to be rocking the boat. So probably the best or the nearest safest options are two. In my opinion, no, tingnan natin kung magkakatotoo. It will probably be Senator J.V. Ejercito as chair or Senator Pia Cayetano. Si Senator J.V., because he's very active sa Blue Ribbon Committee hearings, and siya naman nagsabi, di ba, the way that Senator Ping was steering the Blue Ribbon was trying to burn the House down. It's burning our own house daw sa Senate, sabi ni Senator J.V. So, he might want to lead it because siya yung merong concerns or problems with the handling. Ngayon, as to Senator Pia Cayetano, you might be surprised, but she was previously a chairperson na din of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. So, she has the experience. And, ano lang naman to, joke lang naman to Senator Pia, when she was the chairperson, the committee was very stable or quiet. So, it will be very stable.
Pero between the two, Senator JV and Senator Pia, who would be the best candidate for you kung sakali po?
Right now kasi honestly, there is no best candidate because you will never please everyone, no? Even ako, I did not agree with all of Senator Ping's actions, but I saw and recognized that he was way better than the previous chairperson and he was more fair to the other senators. Mapasok ko lang din, baka tinatanong nyo nga kasi, bakit ba sobrang gulo ng Senate leadership? It's really about the Blue Ribbon Committee chairmanship. Because if we go back to Senate President Jesus Escudero, a big factor why he was ousted is because of how Senator Marcoleta handled the Blue Ribbon Committee hearings, no? Kahit even if he disagrees, many reasonable analysts would say na nababastusan yung ibang senador sa kanya, how he handled it during his chairpersonship, and parang magulo yung pag-handle, yung flow, yung pagtanong sa mga witnesses or yung pag-transfer ng time from one senator to another and how they can cut into each other, no? So, I cannot really say there's a best chairperson because it should be for the Senate